Google Drive is one of the most popular cloud storage services in the world. When you sign up for a Google account, you get 15 GB of free cloud storage that you can use to store photos, videos, documents and much more. If you pay for a Google One subscription, you can further expand the storage from anywhere between 100 GB to 30 TB. You can move files, create folders, rename things, and pretty much do all of the basic stuff that a file manager does, except for the beloved cut, copy, and paste functionality. It's surprising that a modern platform like Google Drive messes functionality that people have been using on a day-to-day basis for decades now. But fortunately, Google is finally rolling out an update that adds cut, copy, paste to Google Drive when using Chrome browser. It uses the same old commands like Ctrl-X for cut, Ctrl-C for copy, and Ctrl-V for paste. Whenever you copy a file, it will also capture its title and the link to the file, which makes it super easy to paste them in a document or even in an email. Check the link in the description for detailed information about this update from Google itself. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. Thank you for watching.